pen in my underwear drawer?
It was probably you.
Of course it was the Hulk.
Oh, it's not Hulk. Hulk swerve.
It was me.
What's in the box, Jokey? What's in the box?
It's a surprise!
What a twist!
This is the darkest sketch in television history.
It's common courtesy.
This makes no sense at all.
Say the line, Earl, or you get the gas.
You're canceled. You're renewed.
Ow, my Dragon Ball!
I'm gonna have a good laugh about this tonight with the guys.
If you polish a unicorn horn long enough, it gives you magical unicorn mayonnaise. Yes, little Hitler, my desk is smart.
What the hell is an aluminum falcon?
Not enough of you have been calling in to support us getting a third season.
We're fixing to renew y'all.
That's what the I'm talking about.
I'm so happy because I'm a gummy bear, gummy bear!
Your mama fight.
Isn't today take your daughter to work day?
Stand down, Jessica.
Okay, Daddy! Oh!
Tonight, we die in Virginia!
Robot Chicken is canceled.
Robot Chicken's renewed.
Blam!
Ooh, red and blue. When you work together, what does it make? Purple rain!
It's fumbles. It was always fumbles.
Oh, by the way, y'all are canceled.
I can't promise everyone they'll survive season 5.
Your name is Fake Bitch
Let's party.
My lord.
Don't trip up.
My lord.
Don't trip up.
My lord.
White wine. Yeah.
Let's shoot the sexy one first.
The invisible jet! I'm coming!
Psych!
You dumbasses realize you're canceled, right?
Yes.
Who will rise?
Pop it, extend it, load it.
Blam.
You the traveling pants!
The network's canceling Robot Chicken.
We got renewed!
Blue tits, I got this.
More cakey for Slendy.
Suck my nut.
Are you unhappy with your penis size? I'll renew Robot Chicken. Yeah, they can jump a motorcycle over the Grand Canyon.
Don't make a sound.
Oh, did I do that?
Merry Christmas to me. Oh, what should we play today?
Hi, April O'Neil.
The porn star. Love your work.
I'll get you the snozberries you deserve. You're telling me not to sing, and you're doing it in the form of a song. So, you're from Copenhagen?
I just want to thank you for not picking me up in a clown car, Jerry.
I mean, I have no notes. Are you ready for the summer soldier, bitches?
I cannot stop pooping.
Last week, you had a pretty advanced case of
Being charming, self-aware.
And that's how season 10 starts.